Do you know that every time you reach for your mouse in WhatsApp, you're breaking your flow?
In WhatsApp, every action needs your mouse. Want to start a message? Mouse. Reply to someone? Mouse. Forward something? Mouse again.
It's slow and it breaks your focus. In Bolt, you never need to touch the mouse. Let's see a couple examples.
You can react to any message with an emoji just pressing R. Also, press Enter and quote and reply to any message. Or edit your latest message with E. Or just delete it in a second.
And those are just a few examples. You just can do any action without moving your hands from the keyboard.
It's not about saving 3 seconds every time. It's about staying focused. No context switching, no breaking flow.
So you can handle hundreds of messages without ever losing your rhythm.